Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about hacksaws. Now, some of you going, okay, this days of saws is going to go on forever. No, just 11 days, and we're already into it a ways. All right, hacksaws. Hacksaws are a misunderstood tool by many and a very grateful tool by others. Neat thing about hacksaws is it's easy to change a blade on it. You got your little shape like this with a handle on it, and the blade goes across the bottom. You unscrew, you change out the blade, put another blade in there, and you're good to go again. Now, granted, most hacksaws, when I was growing up, were used for cutting metal, either pipe or angle iron or something like that. As I grew older, we started using them to cut PVC pipe, PVC pipe, ABS pipe, polypropylene pipes, and as I got even older, it's like, wait a minute, this works pretty good for cutting boards and stuff for artwork. And all you can do is the blades are out there. You just got to get the blade you need for the job you're doing. And the blades for a hacksaw aren't that expensive compared to other blades for other saws. All right. So before we get on to the rest of it here, I want to ask everybody to please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, a nice comment. And if you're not a member of the channel or not a subscriber yet, go ahead and click this subscription button. I believe it's over here. YouTube keeps moving it back and forth. Hit the subscription button and then ring the notification bell. Also, for those that don't know, I do have channel memberships. There are 3 levels. The 99-cent is the prepper level. The $1.99 is the Grayman level, and the $9.99 is the Survivalist level. They each have a lot of different perks that come with it. And when I get all done here, I'll put some links up here, and down in the bottom corner down here will be the link to the video explaining more thoroughly what channel memberships are about. Now, one of the reasons I do this channel is to get people prepared. Why? Because I am selfish. And you're probably going, what the heck is he talking about? If he's giving away information, how's that selfish? Simple. I want to keep my preps for myself, which means I want all of you out there to get your own preps, your own supplies, and get prepared yourselves. Now, does it make sense why I'm selfish about preparedness? So you ought to be selfish about preparedness too, and try to get the rest of your family members on board with putting away supplies, medicines, food, water, clothing, stuff like that. Neighbors, if any of your neighbors see you out gardening in the back or doing stuff, and they ask you about it, say, how prices are going up. I'm just trying to be prepared for increased prices. So I'm growing a little food. I'm storing away stuff. And talk to them gently about it and get them curious to get them involved, maybe get them prepared as well. And these people at work. Spread it around. Get everybody you can prepared. And on that line, I'll be putting up 2 video playlists over here for the Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private playlist. All right, and I'll also put the link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, up over here. All right, so remember, try to get everyone you know prepared so they don't come after your stuff. All right, check this out.